that side, and Nellie and Sparkles would always, like, try to get on top of him, and he was buried under the hay.
Oh. I'm not going to make the mistake of touching that apple again, but... Harley! Harley!
I tried to nudge him awake.
Harley, apples!
Apples, Harley! Better get your apple before somebody else gets on top of you and gets it.
Harley! Are you figuring it out? You getting it? Are you getting it? Come on, Harold.
Okay.
Come on, baby. What's the matter? Get the apple. There you go.
Well, there's nothing. Maybe not.
I think he values his nap more than that.
Okay. Yeah.